Now see the children. Exercise 5.2, page number 97. Which of the following angles form a triangle? Which of the following angles form a triangle? If can form a triangle, sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. First head. First one. 60 degrees given 70 degrees and 80 degrees. 60 degrees, 70 degrees, 80 degrees. Solution. Sum of three angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. We can add the three triangles. Three angles 60 degrees, 70 degrees, 80 degrees. What is the answer? 60 plus 70. 130. 130 plus 80. 210 degrees. Okay. 210 degrees. 210 degrees is more than 180. Is not equal to 180 degrees. Then it is form a triangle? No. Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees, but here more than 180. It is can't form a triangle. Cannot form a triangle because sum of three angles more than 180 degrees. More than 180 degrees. Second one, we should write reason also, children. 60 degrees, 30 degrees, 90 degrees. Solution. We can add 60 degrees plus 30 degrees plus 90 degrees is equal to 60 plus 30, 90, 90 plus 90, 180 is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. It is form a triangle. It is form a triangle because sum of three angles is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of three angles is equal to 180 degrees. Third one. Sorry children, this one D, this one A, this one D. Now B, 65 degrees, 45 degrees, 70 degrees. 65 degrees, 45 degrees, 75 degrees. We can add 65 degrees plus 45 degrees plus 70 degrees is equal to 65 plus 45. 110 degrees. 110 degrees plus 70. 180 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. It is form a triangle because sum of three angles is equal to 180 degrees. C, 40 degrees, 50 degrees and 60 degrees. Okay. Now add 40 degrees plus 50 degrees plus 60 degrees is equal to 140 plus 50, 90, 90 plus 60, 150 degrees. 150 degrees is equal to 180. No, 150 degrees is less than 180 degrees. Less than 180. Cannot form a triangle because sum of three angles is less than 180 degrees. Sum of three angles is less than 180 degrees. Okay. Next sum. D completed. Now E. 38 degrees, 102 degrees, 40 degrees. 38 degrees plus 102 degrees plus 40 degrees. Okay, we can add 138 plus 102, 140 degrees. 140 plus 40, 180 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. It is form a triangle because sum of three angles is equal to 180 degrees. Last one, 100 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees. We can add the three angles, 100 plus 30 plus 45 degrees is equal to 100 plus 30, 130, 130 plus 45, 175. 175 degrees is less than 180 degrees. Okay, cannot form a triangle because sum of three angles is less than 180 degrees. Okay. Okay, children. Now second sum. See the children, second sum. Sum of two interior angles of triangle is 105. Sum of two angles is 105. Find the third angle. Should find the third angle. Here given two angles also given 105. Find the third angle. Sum of two interior angles. Sum of two interior angles of triangle is 105 degrees. Is 105. Find the third angle. Find the third angle. Okay. Solution. Find the third angle. Let the third angle be x. Let the third angle be. Let the third angle be x. X anukuntam third angle. Sum of two interior angles is sum of two interior angles is is 105 degrees. Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180. Sum of two angles is 105. Therefore, 105 degrees, here sum of two angles plus x is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. This one angle sum property. 105 transpose x is equal to 180 minus 105. That is equal to 75 degrees. X is equal to. What is meant by x? Therefore, third angle is equal to 75 degrees. Okay. Now, third sum. In a triangle PQR, if angle P is equal to 65 degrees and angle Q is equal to 50 degrees, then find angle R. Okay. Third sum. In triangle PQR, if angle P is equal to 65 degrees and angle Q is equal to 50 degrees, then find angle R. Okay, solution. In triangle PQR, what is given? Angle P is equal to 65 degrees, angle Q is equal to 50 degrees. Angle R is equal to question mark. Okay, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R in a triangle, sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. This is called angle sum property. What is the P value? 65 degrees. 65 plus what is the Q value? 50 degrees. And R don't know, right? Angle R is equal to 180 degrees. 65 plus 50. 115 degrees. 115 degrees plus angle R is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, angle R is equal to 180 minus 115 degrees. 180 minus 110, 70. 70 లోని ఇంకా 5 తీసేస్తే 65 degrees. Angle R is equal to 65 degrees.